Mr. President, Presidents, Prime Ministers, all protocols observed. It is my privilege to address you on behalf of Antonio Guterres, the Secretary General of the United Nations. I'm pleased to extend my congratulations to President Mohamed Abdullahi Farmajo on his inauguration, and to the people of Somalia on the outcome of the electoral process. I commend outgoing President Hassan Sheikh Mohamud for his role in advancing federalism, his gracious handover of power, and his offer of support to the new administration. Over a decade ago, the federal government of Somalia was conceived to help realize the Somali people's dreams for democracy, peace, and prosperity. The peaceful handover of power is a milestone in that effort and is a major step towards strengthening Somalia as a federal and inclusive state, and towards the goal of achieving one person, one vote elections in 2020. As we mark this occasion, we also recognize the vital role of AMISOM and Somali forces in protecting the political process and in providing a secure environment throughout the elections, as well as the support of many donor countries and organizations. You and your government have the support of the United Nations and the entire international community, including the African Union, the European Union, IGAD, the League of Arab States, in addressing the many pressing challenges for Somalia. Their combined support illustrates, Mr. President, our collective hope to see the people and government of Somalia united in building this country. This means taking on the hard challenges of strengthening the Somali National Security Forces to represent and protect the people of Somalia. It means resolving long-standing local conflicts and a comprehensive approach to dealing with violent extremism. It means advancing the constitutional review and the basis upon which resources and revenues will be mobilized, managed, and shared. And it means extending basic governance and services to all cities and towns. No one individual or institution alone can accomplish these goals. For KALIYA, for DHAQDO. Partnerships are required, most importantly, between the federal government and federal member states, but also with the private sector, not least to raise revenues, generate jobs, and create an enabling and secure environment. Challenges such as corruption and weak governance require all Somalis to work together. Members of the new federal parliament have an opportunity to pass impartial and proactive legislation and empower the government to address the country's challenges. As the government and parliament together take on the business of state building, I urge the international community to respond to urgent needs. Our immediate priority must be to support a Somali-led and holistic plan to respond to the devastating drought and to avert famine, most importantly by contributing funds for a scale-up of efforts. Mr. President, the United Nations is proud to play its part in this critical moment in Somalia's history. The new government can count on the determined support of the United Nations and the entire international community as you move towards peace, development, and human rights for all the people of Somalia. Thank you very much.